na tayo of testing how many calls does it take to sell one mochi buns, okay? Day 8 na tayo of selling mochi buns. So, how many calls it takes bago tayo makabenta ng isa, okay? Ito yung mga mochi buns natin. Para makita nyo. Okay. Hi, ma'am, mochi bun. Tawag-tawag lang tayo muna. Hello, sir. Hello, ma'am, mochi buns. Sana mabilisan lang to. 5 minutes, under 5 minutes, di ba? Hi, ma'am. Hi, sir, mochi buns. 5 minutes, uwi ka agad. Hindi, ibig sabihin, tapos kagad ang challenge natin for the day. Yan, palakpakan natin. Ano gumagano ako eh. Habang nagbibentang lang. Eh, no? Masyado pa. Paano ba yung aso? Ganun? Wala pang tao, umaga pa po. Pero tingnan natin how long this video will take, di ba? Lagyan nyo pala, paano pala lagyan ng timer dito? Turuan nyo nga ako. Ay, pumatchban! Para alam natin lahat pag nanood tayo ng video na to. How long does it take? Excuse me. Medyo malamig na yung panahon ngayon. Ay, pumatchbans po. Kaya be careful sa mga cold and flu. Ay, pumatchbans. Ay, ma'am, matchbans po. Ay, ma'am, matchbans. Ay, ma'am, matchbans po. Ay, ma'am, ay, sir, matchbans. Ay, ma'am, matchbans po. Hello, ma'am. Ay, ma'am, matchbans po. Pampasalubong pa uwi, ma'am. Pang merienda, ma'am. Hello, sir, matchbans. Nalaglag yung signage ko, ah. Ay, pumatchbans po. Wala ko sa tape ko. Hindi, alisin ko mamaya. Ay! Hi, sir. Matchbans po. Hello, ma'am. Yes. Shoes. Ay, ma'am, matchbans po. Ay, po, matchbans po. Ay, po, matchbans po. Ay, po, matchbans po. Ay, ma'am, matchbans. Napalaman na sila, mama. Hello, ma'am, matchbans. Paano ba nilalagyan yung timer dito? Para pag mga nanonood, nakikita nila, diba? Hello, sir. Matchbans po. Ay, sige, sir. 25 lang, sir. Ah. Do you need change, sir? Or saktan? Ay, sige, sir. Thank you, sir. Ayun, nakabenta na tubig, but it does not count kasi mochi buns ang binibenta natin. Hindi ano. Mochi buns at hindi tubig. So, almost finished the task, but not quite. Hello, ma'am, mochi buns. May sugar-free din po kami dyan, ah. Ayan, mga sugar-free po yan. Pwede niyong hawakan eh. So, an idea detection. Sige po. If you're looking something healthy or alternative na healthier choice yan. Most of my product are not sweet, and we use real fruits in our flavors. If you're looking for pasalubong, we have sets as well yan. Mga sets ko, meron din ako ma'am.
Inside, cheese. Anong cheese yung inside?
Ano siya ma'am? Cheddar cheese, parmesan, and quick melt ma'am. Tapos may parang butter pa yan ma'am, para yung aroma niya. Yung ano, parsley.
Ano yung may thumbs up?
Mga recommendation namin, mga bestsellers, mga popular. Yeah. If you're looking for pang merienda ma'am or breakfast, yung mga savory or yung chia or walnut naman.
But this is big, huh? Like
Oh.
how many grams is this thing?
Around 200 something, 200 plus na. If you want, you can hold one again. Kasi 200 plus yan ma'am, including the filling na. Filling is about 45 to 50.
Okay.
The dough itself is, I believe, 150. Around
Basta
that.
not siya warm, no?
Yes. For me personally, kasi I like the crispy outside.
Oo,
Yeah.
oo.
I would use air fryer or oven toaster.
Oo.
But
How long does it last?
even without ref, ma'am, 5 to 6 days. If with ref, 7 to 9 days. So you can eat Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. O, di ba, ma'am? One for each day.
You're gonna get fat.
No.
So black sesame better than the ube? Or the other way around?
Black sesame kasi is not as popular. Unlike in other Asian country, di ba? Popular siya like China, Korea, Japan. Yan. Here sa Philippines, not too much. Alam mo naman Philippines, di ba? Ube talaga.
Yeah.
Pero for...
This is the black sesame.
Yes,
right?
correct. Siyempre for Chinese or Korean or Japanese yan, popular ko yan.
Do you know how many calories per you know bother?
I don't know na macro pero around maybe 2 to 300, around like that.
So
Kasi
it's just bread with filling, right?
parang ganun siya mama. Pero most of them are almost little to no sugar din. Our main focus is hindi matamis na product.
I'm eyeing the blueberry cream cheese.
I don't use any jam or syrup for the blueberry.
What do you use?
Yung real blueberries talaga. No? Even the strawberries we will blend it up first. So, may mga bits pa siya sa loob. Kasi you cannot completely parang blend everything in.
But everything looks nice. Una, sabi ko, blueberry cream cheese lang. Tsaka yung ube.
If you want, ma'am, you can get the box of 4 I know, yung set A ko, ma'am. So, you'll save din
And then, this one looks nice. This one looks nice. Oh my God.
So, tatlo na, ma'am. One more, and then, ito na, set A na, ma'am.
Ito yung problema. This looks nice. This looks nice. This looks nice. This looks nice.
Everything looks na. Hindi.
Coffee bun, lemon lime.
Yun talaga yung purpose ko when you first impression ng tao. Bukod sa size niya, wow, it's big, it's colorful, yeah. Parang it's own marketing na itself by itself naman.
But cranberry is good. Yeah.
Especially if you don't like sweets. If you notice, puro fruit siya, ma'am. Tapos parang healthier choice for you. Hindi yung sugary
Coffee bun
sweets.
is quite...
Black coffee yan, ma'am.
Hindi, tsaka ano na yan, normal.
Pero yung ito, ma'am, may inside din akong coffee. Most feedback I got from other merchant, yung other store, wala daw laman madalas sa loob. Yung sa amin, meron po siya filling. Normally, dome shape siya. Ginawa ko lang parang donut shape para more attractive lang. Yan, coffee crust yan, ma'am. Kung mapapansin mo, parang tinunaw namin siya during baking. So, hindi siya ganun kapantay every
Ako
time.
palala lang ng palala. Mukhang lahat ng malalaki masarap. Except for, ito hindi ko type. Tsaka ito hindi ko type. Because I don't like peach.
Then get the 6, ma'am, if you want. Ayun, 680 lang siya.
I have ID. May discount yung
Meron naman, ma'am. Opo, meron naman siya.
Hindi. Lagi naman kayong andito.
Until February 1, ma'am. I started January 1, ma'am.
Until Feb.
February 1. So, 1 month. And then I'll rest a bit lang. Pero I'll be at 1 Ayala eh. Right after here, 1 Ayala po, ma'am. And then after nun, balik ulit ako dito. Para hindi rin magsawa yung tao in one location every time.
Okay, for the small ones, do you suggest I take the black sesame or the ube?
I think you would love black sesame, ma'am. Lalo na kung familiar ka na sa black sesame, ma'am.
Yeah.
Like yung matcha kasi ma'am, if you don't like matcha,
I'm
parang,
not so...
oh, so automatically you won't like it eh, di ba?
I'm not fond of it. I don't like peanut butter.
Oh.
I
Yung
don't like
Nutella,
that.
hindi ko na rin sinilist kasi it's
Yeah.
too sweet, ma'am.
Yeah.
Red bean, if you want, parang Chinese New Year kasi, di ba?
Yeah.
Pero it's similar lang sa mooncake eh. It's very, very ordinary
Ito
taste.
matamis yung ube.
No. Hindi siya matamis.
Ano siya? As in, totoong ube?
Yes, ma'am. Pure ube na siya talaga, ma'am. Oo.
Okay, ganito na lang. One of each.
Aha, sige po, ma'am.
And then, I'll get this one.
Okay po, ma'am.
And one more. What do you suggest?
I think blueberry ka naman since you like the blueberry. Para matry mo din. Then I'll give you the discount na lang. You'll save more if you get the set kasi.
Which one?
Ito,
But I
ma'am.
have ID.
I mean, mas malaki ma-discount mo if you...
Kasi yung PWD.
Yes po, ma'am.
Okay.
For that.
Alright. Sige, sige. Okay.
Do you want me to put in the box or paper bag or just
Box na lang
ordinary
siguro,
box?
para
Okay.
madali.
And then with ribbon, ma'am? Or...
No need for ribbon.
So you'll carry it,
Yeah,
hand?
blueberry is better than the coffee.
Oh. Kung coffee lover ka man, coffee na talaga man. Oh. Pero premium kasi yung blueberry ko, kaya I want you to try din the premium flavor.
Besides, I take it with coffee anyway.
Yeah, para hindi coffee versus
Oh,
coffee.
yeah,
no?
yeah. Sige, sige.
Thank you, ma'am. So, ito. Yan, ito, ma'am. oh. Hello, sir. Ipay uwa.
Pwede individual nila.
Yeah, individual wrap. Ika, ma? Ibalat ko lang, mama. Ayaw, sama.
Bravo.
Oh, ipay uwa. Kasi siya. Individual wrap ko siya, ma'am.
Parang kasi in case they want to make it baon, it's easy.
Yes, sir.
Grab it, right?
Lahat talaga naka-individual wrap unless they requested it. Sometimes kasi for gift pero normally we just wrap it eh. Kahit for gift eh.
Yeah, hindi kasi kaso pag ako
Yes. Tsaka hygienic din ma'am eh. Oh, hygienic. Yes, correct ma'am. Oh. Before kasi may nag-comment parang sayang daw plastic eh. Naisip ko it's more hygienic kasi ma'am eh.
Environment, makapasakit pa.
460 lang ma'am. Ito yan ma'am, 460. If ever you want to upgrade later, yung difference na lang ang bayaran nyo. Kunyari lang ma'am.
What do you mean?
Kunyari, you want the 6 pieces pala. Kung ano yung difference na lang, just pay for that. Kunyari lang ma'am. Kunyari nabitin kayo or ano. So, I allow that naman. Yung iba kasi
Same day.
same day, of course ma'am. Same day. Yung iba kasi di ba ay per transaction lang. Naisip ko, wag na too much strict. Sayang din. Magdadagdag na rin. Sayang din, di ba?
Hindi, kasi if you're here naman until the first, for me, sayang
Yeah,
naman.
you can come back
mo.
mo.
Mas maganda kung...
Correct. Always fresh. Yes.
Right?
Pero you're around here lang ba, ma'am?
No, I frequent this
Okay.
place, except that, like for tomorrow,
Okay.
like early morning, I have something to do. Really early, the mall's closed. So what the hell do I eat, right?
After here, ma'am, go to 1 Ayala.
After
Kahit
February
8 a.m. ma'am, I can sell na there sa 1 Ayala. Kasi they open it very early. Although the mall is still closed, you can walk around na rin.
Hindi kasi diba sayang naman kung...
Yes, correct.
Let's say I want to have it for breakfast tomorrow.
Correct. Hindi ko na ribbon, ma'am. Okay. Thank you so much.
How can I have my thing, right? If I don't buy it now.
Thank you. Ma'am, if you want to reorder, maybe in the future, kunyari hindi mo kami mahanap, all my details here.
Alright.
Email, number, etc.
Alright. So this is yours.
The branding is from Singapore, but
Okay.
I franchise it from Singapore. So I saw the potential kasi. Kaya lang, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 460.
540.
540. Wala ko ng 500 mo. Sayang. Ito pa rin. Thank you so much, ma'am. Have a nice day, ma'am.
Oh, you have wala nang bag?
Uh,
Kung wala ka ng bag, i-ribbon mo na lang so it's easy
or,
for you to...
di man ganito, pero medyo
Kasya ba
bitin.
siya?
Medyo bitin lang. Pero at least you can, yeah, at least you can still hold it nicely.
Yeah,
Okay. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am. Okay. Come back again.
Yung ganito, how much? Yung dalawa rin.
San, eto ma'am, 150 to. Ito yung binili nung kanina, 150 siya. Opo, 150. Perfect siya for gift giving eh, ganun. Or some quick snack, ganun lang siya ma'am. Oo. Thank you ma'am. Ayun na, that's how long it takes to sell one mochi buns. Actually, hindi siya one mochi buns eh. Parang one set, di ba? Alright. So, yan. That ends it. Thank you so much, ha. Thank you so much. Next video ulit tayo.